Maggie! Good girl. Watch your head, Biscuit. Watch your head. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to... Oh, I just tripped over Biscuit. He didn't even flinch. He's not even moved. What was I saying? Yeah, thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk with the little guys on Friday the 13th. Ooh. Yeah, morning walk. We have 7 dogs. We are missing still, and missing him dearly. We're missing Barney from the entourage. He will be back on Monday, I believe. So if you're a Barney fan, make sure you tune in to Monday's walk. But as for now, we've got the rest of the gang who I'll show you and show you what we got up to today. We are on a sort of hiking trail against one of the hills in Edinburgh. Great view of the city, great view of all the clouds that are going to come in and get us wet. So stay with us, let's see if this hood needs to go up. Oh, well done, Sydney. You're doing great. Yes, you are. There is the city, guys. We're quite flat against the height of the buildings, but the castle over there, lovely little part of the world. Alfie! What's this, buddy? What have I got? He doesn't even want a biscuit. I know. Go on then, bud. Lead the way. Lead the way. Let's go get Ruby. Come on, Maggie. Come on, sweetie. This is a tough hill. Where is he, Alfie? Where is she, Alfie? Where is she? Go find her. Whew. We caught her. We caught her. Let's get a breath, Maggie. Me and you. Let's get a breath. Wow. When Ruby wants to, she can shift. Oh, we've struggled to catch up to her. Poor Maggie's getting her breath. It's okay, sweetie, take your time. It's a bit windy up here, guys. Best behaviour. Right. Last time. We've got about 2 minutes before she gets back. Yes, we'll have some cuddles. We'll have some cuddles. I know. I know. Here she comes. It's 30 seconds now. Good, sweetie, keep coming. Keep coming. Good girl. Well done. Well done, you guys. It's windy. Very windy up here. I'm going to head down Nell's steps. Back to the van. What are you grumping at? Grumpy chops. Alright guys, well that's us back in the paddock, and the van is just the other side of the paddock, so we are heading home. Friday, it's been drizzly, it's been windy, it's been a lot of fun. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great weekend. If you've enjoyed this, give me a little like, comment, subscribe and share, and we will see you next week. Take care.